A high-definition, multi-room, all-in-one audio solution and CEDIA Awards product finalist, the Lithe Audio Wi-Fi and Bluetooth ceiling speakers solve a very specific problem. And with it, can bring a multi-room audio experience to your home, while saving you not just money, but also time, given how simple the product is to install. And the problem they solve is the problem of cable routing. With the built-in amplifier, not only do you save on the purchase of a separate amp, but you also benefit from easier installation. Usually, you'd have to contend with pulling cables through ceilings, pulling up floors, or knocking through walls in order to get power to your device in a way that didn't leave a tangled mess of cables on show. If you're anything like us, even if you do fancy fitting your home out with a multi-room speaker system, you don't want to start ripping your home apart to get said system installed. Luckily for us, with Lithe Audio ceiling speakers, you don't have to, as the 4-step installation process is simple enough to be a quick DIY job. If you're not feeling confident yourself, it'll be less than a challenge for your favourite local handyman to install. When it comes to configuration, you have some options available to you through some simple switches situated around the speaker's perimeter. For Bluetooth speakers, for example, a ±3 dB toggle can give your speaker a small boost for especially large rooms, or if you're installing in a bathroom or other more enclosed space where sound is likely to reflect all over the place, you can dial back by 3 dBs instead. There's a volume limiter switch, which will cap the speaker's output at 50% loudness, so if your kids have access to the system or you just don't like your music that loud, you can make it impossible for any one speaker to deliver anything above a gentle, soothing wash of ambient sound. You can specify mono or stereo sound, depending on whether you're using a single speaker or an active-passive pair, since the built-in amplifier makes the speaker capable of driving not just itself, but a companion passive unit as well, making it easier and cheaper to fill a room with the sounds you love. And the RCA input makes it possible to hardwire older equipment, like a turntable, to your speakers to truly accommodate anyone's playback device of choice. As we've mentioned briefly already, Lithe Audio ceiling speakers come in two distinct varieties, Bluetooth or Wi-Fi. For true simplicity, you can't go wrong with a set of Bluetooth ceiling speakers. Bluetooth 5.0 compatible with a low latency aptX Bluetooth chip, you'll even be able to use these to play audio from your TV without experiencing that annoying delay you typically get when playing audio from a separate device. Since they're running Bluetooth 5, these speakers have a wireless range of up to 30 meters, meaning you can roam through the house freely without having to set down your mobile device for fear of losing connection, disrupting playback. What's more, Lithe Audio's Bluetooth ceiling speakers are compatible with all your favourite smart home devices. Whether you prefer Amazon's Alexa or the Google Nest line of products, you can still ask your favoured voice assistant to play your music through your Bluetooth Lithe Audio ceiling speaker. Wi-Fi speakers are perfect for streaming over the same network. With the Lithe Audio app, you can control as many Wi-Fi speakers as you need to. They're easy to daisy chain together, so you can have as many ceiling speakers as you like in a single room. Even better though, is that the Wi-Fi speakers are Apple Airplay 2 compatible, meaning you can stream music even to groups of ceiling speakers over the same network. So I know what you're wondering. Just how many of these things can I cram into my ceiling and have playing in unison like my very own Marshall stack hidden in the heavens? Well, you'll be pleased to hear by grouping sets of speakers together on the Lithe Audio app or Apple Airplay 2, you can stream to up to 32 pairs of ceiling speakers. According to Lithe Audio themselves though, there's no need for more than a couple of speakers per room, and that's for larger rooms. Bedrooms and bathrooms should be fine with a single active unit, while larger kitchens, living areas and other such spaces will benefit from 1 or 2 pairs of speakers to really achieve the sound you're looking for. As for compatible streaming services, nothing's off the cards with Spotify, TuneIn Radio, Deezer and more capable of streaming directly to your Lithe Audio speaker. And finally, there are precautions you can take to protect your speakers from the elements. Proprietary Lithe Audio fire hoods are available for purchase. They're heavy duty and are composed of a double skin of intumescent fabric, to make sure you're more than meeting fire safety requirements. What's more, the premium acoustic fire hood will actually mitigate sound transfer to floors above, whilst improving the listening experience for others. That's it for now, but stay tuned for our upcoming video where we'll be demoing an installation of a Lithe audio speaker to really hammer home just how simple that process really is. And if there's anything more you'd like to learn about Lithe Audio products, ask us down in the comments section, or visit Lithe Audio's website for direct support from them. If there's anything else you'd like us to cover, then let us know in the comments as well. Once again, thanks very much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.